Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to add question on Quora. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First you have to open Quora.com. After that, you all have to click on this place. Now here you will see two options, add question and add post. If you want to add a post, then you have to click on the post. If you want to add a question, then you have to click on the question. So here I want to add a question. Here I write my question quickly. So here you can see that as soon as I wrote the question, my related questions have appeared below, and their answers have also appeared. To post a question, click on top right post and then click on done. Now here you can select your category related to which your question has been added. When you post a question, you will see an option asking what is its answer. Along with the question, you will also get its answer. In this way, you can post any question on Quora and find its answer. Thanks for watching this video.